Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will tell you how to find force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. First of all, we have to draw a current flow from positive terminal to the negative terminal. I have told you in the previous video. Okay, current flow from positive to negative terminal of the battery. And here I draw a magnet, north pole and south pole. Then I draw lines between these poles showing that this is the magnetic field. Magnetic field from north to south pole of the magnet. But which rule should I use? Fleming's left-hand rule. Yes. Our middle finger is current. Current flow towards Earth based on what we draw of current flow just now. Index finger is magnetic field of direction. North is near to our palm and south is near to nail. Then our thumb is direction of force. So based on the position of our current carrying conductor in this diagram, it is same as our hand right now. So it shows that it's lift upwards. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Assalamualaikum.